Good morning, students. We are doing chapter number 2, and in that we had completed Rutherford model, Thomson model of an atom, wave nature, particle nature of radiations, related numericals. એ બધું આપણે કર્યું. Now one more theory gives evidences for energy level, quantized energy levels, and that is spectrum. What is a spectrum? How many types of a spectrum are there? How Bohr gave spectrum of hydrogen, line spectrum, atomic spectrum. All these we will do in this topic. First of all, you studied in lower classes. Suppose we have glass slab, and when light passes from one medium to another medium, when light is entering from one medium to another medium, its speed changes. ऊपर है वो air medium, ये है glass. If light is enter from air to glass and then again to air, then it bend towards normal because its speed changes. So speed of light change when light enter from one medium to another medium, rare medium to denser medium, or denser to rare medium. Clear? You know that white light consists of 7 colors: sunlight, white light, or white light consists of 7 colors. What are that 7 colors? Vibgyor: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. If we move this side, wavelength increases. Wavelength increases. मतलब red color light has, waves of red color light has maximum wavelength and violet has least wavelength. And as you know, wavelength and frequency are inversely proportional. So as we move this way, frequency decreases. मतलब violet color have maximum frequency. Violet color will have maximum frequency, minimum lambda. Red color have maximum lambda, that is wavelength, and minimum frequency. Now you have seen rainbow and all. How these 7 colors of sunlight or white light get separated? Process is called dispersion of light. You had studied in lower classes. Suppose we pass white light through a prism and all 7 color get separated. This is prism, which is also called spectroscope, or it is also known as prism. So when sunlight is entering in prism, sunlight, or we can say white light, or white light, which has 7 color, when it is incident on this prism, it will be separated into 7 colors. It will enter in and all the 7 colors get diffracted. We'll have spectrum, we'll have image of 7 colors. They are known as Vibgyor: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. The light, the color which is having highest wavelength will be bend least. Red color light will bend least. And कौन सबसे ज़्यादा bend होगा? जिसकी wavelength कम होगी. तो violet color has least wavelength, so it will bend maximum towards the normal. While red color wavelength is maximum, so it will bend after passing through the prism. It will bend towards the normal least. So more the wavelength, bending of light will be less, and if least the wavelength, bending of light will be more. These 7 colors will be separated. Process is called dispersion, and this image obtained is known as spectrum. This type of a spectrum is called continuous spectrum. Why it is called continuous spectrum? Because one color is merges into another color. Suppose we have here violet color, this one, and indigo color is merging in this violet color. Blue color is also merging in this indigo color. Green is merging in this blue color. मतलब कोई separation नहीं है, ऐसे नहीं कि यहाँ पे band of violet color, then band of red color, then band of indigo. It's not so. One color is merged into another. आपने rainbow देखा होगा. उसी तरीके से 7 color होते हैं. Because they are continuous, there is no gap between them. This type of a spectrum is known as continuous spectrum. Okay. Now this white light consists of only the visible range, frequencies या wavelength of very less range of wavelength are present in this white light. But electromagnetic radiation have wide range of wavelengths or frequencies of different radiation. So many radiations are there. ये तो खाली एक उसमें से small portion है. That is called visible region. बाकी electromagnetic radiation is very wide. It has so many radiations, microwaves, ultraviolet, infrared. They have different wavelength, different frequencies. Clear? So when such radiations incident on atom or molecules or a sample, then what will happen? They will absorb some amount of radiation and emitted the radiations in different region. So different type of spectrum will be obtained. Two types of spectrums are there of different atoms. One is known as emission spectrum, other one is called absorption spectrum. First is emission spectrum. What is emission spectrum? Suppose we have a sample of any atom, molecule or a compound. Sample of any element. First we have to heat it either. It has atoms. These are the atoms of elements. How do we get a spectrum of this element? We have to heat it either, or we have to supply electrical energy, or we have to incident radiations on it. What we wanted to do? We wanted to excite these atoms. Excite means we have to give energies to the sample. If we give energy to sample, if we heat it, then what will happen? Its atoms absorb energy and move to higher energy level. Higher energy level is known as excited state. Suppose right now electron is present in this energy level. That is lower energy level. Lower energy level is known as ground state. And if atom is in ground state, then it is stable. But if you heat the element, if you supply electrical energy to it, or if you incident radiation on it, what will happen? Its atom absorb energy and move to higher energy level. This is called excited state. What is it called? Excited state. So lower energy atoms are called ground state atoms, and if we supply energy to them, they absorb energy and move to higher level. Higher energy, that higher energy state is called excited state. And if atom is in excited state, then it is unstable. It again wanted to come back to stable ground state. પાછું આવું છે અને નીચે તમે એને એનર્જી આપીને એના એટમ્સ ને એક્સાઇટેડ સ્ટેટ માં પહોંચાડ્યું છે. It want to again come back to the ground state because ground state is stable. So when we heat this sample, what will happen? Its atom absorb energy or move to higher energy level. When they come back to lower energy level, as lower energy level is stable, so they come back to lower energy level. While coming back, they emit radiations. When these radiations are analyzed by prism, we get spectrum. What type of spectrum? Emission spectrum. The spectrum obtained is known as emission spectrum. ऐसे स्पेक्ट्रम मिलता है जिसमें बहुत सारी ऐसे लाइंस होंगी, ब्राइट लाइंस, और बैकग्राउंड बिल्कुल ब्लैक. These are bright lines and this background is black. This type of spectrum obtained is known as emission spectrum. the radiations that are emitted out, they give this bright lines, and background, that is the radiations that are absorbed, that are not emitted, they will leave as black space. This type of emission is called, this type of spectrum is known as emission spectrum. How do we get this emission spectrum? सैंपल जिसका स्पेक्ट्रम बनाना है उसके एटम्स को एक्साइट करना है. कैसे करोगे एक्साइट? ईदर बाय हीटिंग इट or by supplying electrical energy or by incident light on it. What will happen? Its atom move to higher level. Higher level is unstable, excited state is unstable, so these atoms again come back. While coming back, they emit radiations. And these radiations, these are emitted radiations. When these emitted radiations are analyzed by prism, we get so many bright lines with background color. Such type of spectrum is known as emission spectrum. One more type of spectrum is there, that is absorption spectrum. Absorption spectrum. Second type of spectrum is absorption spectrum. What is absorption spectrum? Suppose this is the sample of element having different atoms. This is sample of element. Any element, sodium, potassium, rubidium, जिसका भी बनाना उसका sample इसमें place करना है. Now what we have to do? We have to pass white light through it. आમાંથી white light pass करवाना. You know that white light consists of 7 colors. When white light or sunlight incident on it, what will happen? It will absorb some of the light and emit the rest one. कुछ अपने में absorb कर लेंगे. Suppose white में विबग्योर है तो suppose green और yellow light के जो wavelength है वो absorb कर लिए, बाकी के इसमें से बाहर निकलेंगे. तो जो light ये absorb कर लेगा और जो light emit करेगा उस हिसाब से स्पेक्ट्रम बनेगा. उस स्पेक्ट्रम को हम क्या बोलते हैं? एब्जॉर्प्शन स्पेक्ट्रम. इसमें कैसे होगा? पूरा बैकग्राउंड कलर्ड और ऐसे ऐसे डार्क स्पेसेस होंगे. क्या होगा? दीज आर डार्क लाइंस और पीछे पूरा बैकग्राउंड कलर्ड होगा. कलर्ड बैकग्राउंड. दिस टाइप ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रम इज नोन एज एब्जॉर्प्शन स्पेक्ट्रम. What we have to do? We have to pass white light on the sample. Sample will absorb some of the colors of the light. White light માંથી અમુક કલર આ સેમ્પલ એબ્ઝોર્બ કરી લેશે. ઈ વેવલેન્થ એબ્ઝોર્બ કરશે, બાકીની વેવલેન્થ એમાંથી પાસ થશે. તો ટ્રાન્સમિટેડ લાઇટ, આ કઈ લાઇટ કહેવાય? ટ્રાન્સમિટેડ લાઇટ. This transmitted light when analyzed through a prism, we get a spectrum that is called absorption spectrum. It is just opposite to that of emission spectrum. Suppose same element है, उसका हम absorption और emission दोनों spectrum बनाते हैं, तो दोनों में क्या difference होगा? Suppose this is emission and this is absorption spectrum of same element. What do you observe? In emission spectrum, you will have bright lines. These are bright lines with background black. આ જે background છે એ black હશે. શેમાં? emission spectrum માં. અને ઈ જ એલિમેન્ટ નું જો આપણે absorption spectrum બનાવીએ તો શું આવશે? આ જ જગ્યા ઉપર જ્યાં bright lines આવી ત્યાં dark lines હશે. same place ઉપર. These are dark black lines और पूरा background कैसा होगा? colored होगा. बिल्कुल अपोजिट आता है. जिन प्लेसेस पे ब्राइट लाइंस दिखती हैं एमिशन स्पेक्ट्रम में, वो लाइन ब्लैक हो जाती हैं क्योंकि वो रेडिएशन आपकी बार एब्जॉर्ब हो गए, और एमिशन स्पेक्ट्रम में वो रेडिएशंस एमिट हुए हैं. तो टू टाइप्स ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ ईच एलिमेंट इज देयर, एमिशन स्पेक्ट्रम एज वेल एज एब्जॉर्प्शन स्पेक्ट्रम. व्हाट इज स्पेक्ट्रम? व्हेन the light that is emitted by a substance is analyzed through spectroscope or through a prism, then the picture, or we can say image, or the view obtained, that is known as spectrum. Two types are there, absorption and emission spectrum. Okay. This type of emission spectrum is also known as line spectrum, atomic spectrum. एमिशन स्पेक्ट्रम के और क्या नाम है? एमिशन स्पेक्ट्रम को और बोलते हैं अपन लाइन स्पेक्ट्रम, क्योंकि डिफरेंट लाइंस मिलती है. लाइन और atomic spectrum. It is not continuous. Atomic spectrum. ये continuous नहीं है. उस white light को जब प्रिज्म से पास किया था 7 कलर वेव और अलग हो गए थे, वो continuous spectrum है. This is not continuous spectrum. This is discrete spectrum. Different type of lines are obtained at different places. Such type of spectrum is also known as line spectrum. क्या फायदा है इस स्पेक्ट्रम का, क्या हमको इसमें से इंफॉर्मेशन मिलता है? तो स्पेक्ट्रम प्ले वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन आइडेंटिफाइंग द एलिमेंट्स. आपको पता हो तो हीलियम સનમાંથી જે રેઝ આવતી હોય એમાંથી સ્પેક્ટ્રમ બનાવીને હીલિયમ આઇડેન્ટિફાઈ થયું છે. સિમિલરલી રૂબિડિયમ, cesium, these are the elements which are discovered through spectrum. Similar pattern sometimes observed. Suppose we see spectrum of sodium, spectrum of potassium, spectrum of rubidium. Today you know they belong to same group, that is first A group. Alkali metals they are. એ ફર્સ્ટ પિરિયોડિક ટેબલના ફર્સ્ટ ગ્રુપમાં બધા લાઈ કરે. એ બધાના સ્પેક્ટ્રમમાં અમુક સિમિલારિટીઝ જોવા મળે, સેમ ટાઈપ ઓફ લાઇન્સ જોવા મળે. ऑल गिव लाइन स्पेक्ट्रम. सो कभी कभी क्या होता है, जैसे सोडियम का स्पेक्ट्रम पता है ना, उसमें इस तरीके की लाइंस आ रही हैं. पोटेशियम में कुछ 6 लाइंस आएंगी. कुछ सिमिलैरिटी है इसके स्पेक्ट्रम में और इसके स्पेक्ट्रम में. उस सिमिलैरिटी से अननोन एलिमेंट को अपन आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं कि આવું દેખાય છે, આના જેવા થોડાક ગુણ કે એનાથી થોડાક આમ ઇન્ક્રીઝડ આમ આની અંદર છે, તો આની નાની પ્રોપર્ટી સમવોટ સેમ હશે, મીન્સ દે બિલોંગ ટુ સેમ ગ્રુપ. સો વાયા સ્પેક્ટ્રમ વી કેન આઇડેન્ટિફાઈ the elements also which were unknown that time. So that is the positive point of spectrum. स्पेक्ट्रम जैसे फिंगरप्रिंट की तरह होता है. हर इंसान का फिंगरप्रिंट अलग अलग होता है, वैसे हर एलिमेंट का स्पेक्ट्रम अलग होगा, लेकिन उन स्पेक्ट्रम में कुछ सिमिलैरिटीज होती हैं जिससे हम पता लगा सकते हैं कि इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज सेम होगी. फ्लोरीन का स्पेक्ट्रम सोडियम से बिल्कुल अलग आएगा, बिकॉज सोडियम इज मेटल एंड फ्लोरीन इज नॉन मेटल. बट इफ एलिमेंट्स बिलोंग टू सेम ग्रुप, then their spectrums will be same. So many elements were identified with the help of spectrum. In next video, we will discuss line spectrum of hydrogen, that is given by Bohr.